Friends, in the last video, we started making our Christmas tree. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Now let's start. Now we will fold the top strips out like this and add the other strips to it. All strips connected, you can see. Now we will fold the strips like this and join them in a round shape. Similarly, fold a strip and add it to the top of the Christmas tree. We will cut off the extra strips. Fold a piece of strip like this and put it on the top. Here we will fold the strip and add it and give it a cone shape. The frame of our Christmas tree is complete. Now we will make homemade gum by dissolving 2 spoons of wheat flour in a glass of water, heating it on a low flame for 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Now we will cover it from inside and outside by sticking newspaper. The whole frame of our Christmas tree is covered with newspaper, as you can see. Now we will cover it by sticking green paper. The whole Christmas tree is covered with green paper, as you can see. Now we will cover its base with pink paper. The base of our Christmas tree is also complete. Now we will cut thin strips of green paper and fold them like this and join them together to make such a flower design. Similarly, we can cut thin strips of pink paper and cut small squares of them and stick them on the flower like this. We will make similar designs and paste them on the whole Christmas tree. The whole Christmas tree is covered with the design, you can see. Now we will stick the thermocol balls on the pink square of all the designs. All thermocol balls are glued, you can see. Now we will cut a star and put a holder in it, and then put it on the top of the Christmas tree. Friends, our Christmas tree is finally ready. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.